Hii ni mustard.
Mustard.
Heinz mustard. Ndio.
Baba usikuni mustard.
Hii ya ukuli inatumika kama binder. Inaitwa nini? Binder. Yeah. Haya, massage. Massage. Massage hivi ndani. Massage. Haya, now we turn it over again. Whoa. And then massage hapa ndani. Our barbecue rub, si ndio?
Barbecue rub.
Haya, nataka uchukue alafu uspread kwa chicken. Hivi, like this. Whoa. Hivyo. Spread all over the chicken. Spread it. So our chicken goes into the oven. We'll be baking this for around 1 hour. Temperature is 180 degrees. You can go 200 if you want to. Soft. Cooked all the way through. Now we can have our chicken, and here I have pickled red onions, very sweet. They've been pickling for about 3 days. All my barbecue comes with this. It's very nice and sweet. So if you order some, I give you some pickled red onions and some coleslaw as our sides. This will be good. Yeah. Neat. Chicken looks good.